Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. So today I am going to talk about all the Chinese dramas that is going to be air in January, and every single drama is super worthy to watch because we are going to see so many wuxia, Xinshan, historical Chinese drama. That is my favorite genre. Yeah, you are going to see one or two modern drama as well. So let's start with our first drama, that is The Blossoming Love, and it's already airing right now. It was started from 2nd of Jan on Youku app. Already 18 episodes aired, and you are going to see a super amazing love story in this drama. And it starts with our human emperor Zhaoming, who sacrificed himself for the divine realm, but his beloved, that is our Dunju, who saved wisp of the last soul, and his soul reincarnated in the mortal world as Xie Sichuan, who is the leader of Immortal Alliance. And our Dunju, who forget her memories, became Mu Shangling, who of the Dark Domain. Like, they both were from the opposite sides, but they both had some history in mortal world as well. So because of that, our Mu Shanling will save Xie Sichuan from the Dark Domain, and they will start traveling together, but they don't trust each other. So we are going to see how all the misunderstanding will clear and how their love story will begin. But in between them, we are going to see so many things. There is one thing that is we say Chao's Pearl, that is most important thing, and everyone is behind that. Like, everyone is finding that Chao's Pearl, and like we are going to see everything about that, but it's about divine artifact also. So we are going to see how they are going to solve all the mystery and save the human and all the realm. And after all these things, our like Xie Sichuan's soul will go into the Zhaoming's original body, and who is the demon god right now. So our Mu Shanling will save the demon god, and like we are going to see their love story as in the mortal world, as in the immortal world. Like, so many things we are going to see. So it's a great love story, it's a great plot. If you love to watch dramas like Xinsha Chinese drama, you are going to love the story of this drama. Our second drama, that is my favorite ongoing Chinese drama right now, because we have Bailu and Ruiping in this drama, and their chemistry is really good. The drama name is Moonlight Mystic. You can watch this drama on iQIYI. It was released on 7th of Jan, and already 7 episodes are released, and it's really great. I already cried also because of the plot. You are going to see our Bailu is casting as Baishu, who wants to cultivate, who wants to get immortality, because he wants to repay favor of the person who saved her in the childhood, and now she is seeking for the immortality. And in this process, she will save the demon king, that is our Fanwei. Our Ruiping is casting as Fanwei, so she will save him, and they will like travel together, like, because there is one desireless stone, that is a divine artifact, you can say, or divine thing, that is the like possession of our goddess Chinwei from the divine realm. And that stone, like our Baishui body, went into the Baishui's body, and now she is the most important person in all the world, like all the land. So our Fanwei wants to activate that stone. Our Baishui also wants to activate that stone, because she got some guidance from that stone. So now they are working together to activate that stone. So they are traveling together, they are living together. In this process, we are going to see how their things going to start, their love story going to start, because they are going to fall in love, and they will face so many obstacles, but they will be stay together till the end. So we are going to see their love story and all the things that is going to be happen in that, like immortal, demon and divine, like all the things we are going to see, because Baishu is the person who can change all the things. So it's really interesting to watch, because I really love demon, humans, immortals, all these things. So it's going to be my favorite. And also Bailu is here, that is one of my favorite actors. So this is highly recommended. Our next drama is Florist Pony. You are going to see in this drama on MGTV channel. It's also airing right now from 7th of Jan. And we are going to see Li Xian and Yang Jie in this drama. It's also about like business, romance, and historical as well, like we saw in Blossoms in Adversity, maybe like that. Because our Wei Feng, Yang Ji is casting as Wei Feng, who is a very famous businesswoman and who is very expertise in cultivating rare ponies, who wants to help all the females who are like helpless and who want to help all the people as well. She will help Zhang Chengyang in so many court affairs and to put down the rebellion. So they will work together for a while, and in between we are going to see their secret affair and all the things that is going to be happen. So it's all about their love story, it's all about the people, it's all about the court affairs. So we are going to see so many things as we saw in historical dramas. So it's all about them. This drama is Under the Moonlight, that is going to be aired on 14th of Jan and it will be aired on Youku app. And this drama is a historical drama, but it's all about solving some cases, mystery and like that, the like we saw in Blossom as well, like about solving cases. So we are going to see the love story of Lo Shu and Chinmeng. Lo Shu, who is expertise in solving cases, and while the process she will meet our Chinmeng, who wants to travel all over the world. So they will solve so many cases together and they will fall in love with each other. So we are going to see their love story, also the investigation, case, crime and all these things we are going to see in this drama. Our next drama is Sky into Love. It's promised to release in January, but the release date is not confirmed yet. I hope so they will release in January, because I am waiting for this drama like for so long, because we have Leni and S3 in this drama and it's also related to sports. That is my favorite genre in modern dramas. So it's really gonna be amazing. And we are going to see the love story of Wei Ji and Shanchong. Wei Ji, who is a writer but lost her pen name and copyright because of a scandal, now she wants to learn skiing for a fresh start. And Shanchong, who will become her coach, but he is a former snowboarder, and they will meet with each other, they will become friends, lovers, like everything we are going to see. And Shanchong will be inspired by her and he will find his love with snowboard again. He will return to training. So we are going to see the two people who are lost in their life will find their love with the work and with the love life. Like we are going to see so many things. So it's really gonna be amazing. I am really looking forward for this drama. Our next drama is The Immortal Ascension, and I am really looking forward for this drama as well because of the plot and because we have Yang Yang in this drama. So recently I watched a dongwa that is about a mortal person becoming an immortal and cultivating his own path for immortality. So we are going to see in this drama as well Hanli, who is an ordinary mortal who will go against all the odds, divine demons and celestials, like everything, and he will cultivate his own path for immortality. So I really love these type of plots, and we are going to see his love story, his journey in these all things and after becoming an immortal. So I'm really looking forward for this drama as well because it's really going to be amazing. Next drama is Love in Pavilion, and this is also going to be a great drama because we are going to see a great love story in this drama. It's also promised to be here in January, but we don't know the release date yet. We are going to see the love story of Dongfeng Haiju and Wang Chuan Hongye. Like they will work together to fight against the demons and to stabilize the Unity Alliance. So we are going to see their love story because they want to make their name to go down for the generations and for their love story as well. So we are going to see so many things. This is all about the dramas that is going to be here in January, and I know about the dramas that is going to be here in January because for Chinese dramas they can release from nowhere because they always tell the release date before a week or 10 days only. So there will be new dramas as well that will be aired in January, but I don't know about them yet. But if I know, I will tell you on the Instagram and here as well. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, and if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button as well. I need your support. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video till now. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.